Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to get the app for this Blackweb Tkl keyboard. I can't even find the picture on online here. It's this one here, but I have to enlarge my camera for it. So it tells you to go to this one here. And it did not go like that for me because I already have it installed, I guess. So you type this in, it tells you on the instruction. It took me 4 downloads to finally finish this. You type it in, well, if I type it in, it goes to there, so I'm like, where the heck is it? On? Blackweb is actually, yeah, it's not this one. It's right here. This will be in the link below. And I tried downloading, it's this one right here. Once you download this, it'll be like a check mark, 2 check marks, check it off, install it, and then it'll be right here. There you go. I just made this red here. If you put this, if you put this on, and you type in your password and it has any of these, it will replace this with your arrow key. So you don't press this one here. I don't know what all this is, but you can go like this. Lighting. This is stay still. Let's put it to yellow, or yeah, let's put yellow. Okay. Now that one is yellow. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, kind of. So let's go back. This link here will be in the video description. Download this. There'll be 2 check marks. Check it off. Press OK, OK. You download it. It will be on your desktop. And then you're able to customize it. Don't press this. And then you have your, what is that, game 1, game. Okay. Edit it. I don't really know what's going on here. I'm just here to show you guys how to get the software. That's it. Comment, share, like, if sub it, if you liked it. See you guys.